Hey, welcome to Maine again. This is Brad from Orders from Headquarters. What a beautiful day again. The sun's out. It's a little breezy. It'll keep the black flies away. It's perfect. What? You're sending what? Standby. Okay, so my wife just gave me orders from headquarters stating I need to fill the Weedwacker string box for tomorrow, and the boys need to learn to know how. I'm going to show them. Let me get my boys and we'll start this. So the first thing we got to do is get 15 feet of the string to put on. So I'm going to have one of my boys hold one end and the other one stretch out the tape with the string attached to it. We're going to measure out 15 feet. All right, boys, let's start it. Start moving it out. Keep going. Tell him when. Right there. You got to cut it, Evan. Or Liam. Hello. So, Liam, those are wire cutters. Use them to cut the trimmer line. All right. All right. So, boys, first thing we got to do, you see these little red push buttons on the side? Yep. You got to take those and you got to push them. Push them in. It'll release the very top cap, just like such. There's a little spring on it, so you got to be careful. Once you get that, there's a little red wheel in the inside. See this?
Yep.
It has an arrow on the top, and it tells you which direction we got to run. There's an arrow right here, and it shows you which way the string's got to go on. So Evan, give me the string. Yep. Stretch it out. So to get this in there, you put it through here, the little slot, slide it over, and then it tells you which way to wheel it. So where the direction that arrow is the way the string's got to go. So you keep your finger in there, keeping the line tight. Got to keep it really tight, tight, because we're going to be putting string in there. It's got to fit all of that 15 feet, or 12 feet, or 13 feet, or however many feet we put in, it's got to go in there. Now you can put it in there fast and slide it over, which I recommend, or we'll be here forever. But as long as the string's in there tight and keeps going in a direction, then coming back the other way, it won't tangle up. We're almost there. Now, be just like that. Now, we're going to lift this up. We are going to feed this string right here through the feeder line hole. Pull it through, bring that down, should be good. Put the other one on top. I'm going to line it up with the holes and push. Good. And there. We now have Weedwacker line installed, and you can tell the teacher you got an A+. Thank you. If you like that video, like and subscribe. Semper Fi, Marines.